13 Facts You Didn't Know About Facebook. Welcome back to 13 Facts, the place for fact based videos from around the world. We've got you covered because nobody will ever fool you again. Today, we present you 13 Facts You Didn't Know About Facebook. Love it or hate it, there's no getting away from Facebook. The social media giant influence can be seen in every corner of the web. From the site's growing underground popularity in China, where the site is banned, to the fact that approximately 30% of American adults get their news from Facebook. Well, let's get straight to the facts. Fact number 1. Mark Zuckerberg suffers from red-green color blindness. This is why Facebook's primary color scheme is blue. Although it certainly doesn't hurt that blue is also strongly associated with trust and security, two concepts essential in getting people to voluntarily part with their personal information. Fact number 2. Facebook's like button used to be the awesome button. Facebook engineer Andrew Bosworth said that he and other engineers were enthusiastic about the awesome button, but the idea was ultimately vetoed by Zuckerberg in 2007. The site eventually settled on the like button, a decision that Bosworth said was met with a decidedly lukewarm reception. Fact number 3. Al Pacino was the first face on Facebook. A very early iteration of the site displayed a header image featuring a man's face obscured behind binary code. The identity of the man could not be seen clearly, but it later came to light that the face was that of acclaimed actor Al Pacino. Fact number 4. Facebook's user base grows by 8 people per second, or 7,246 people every 15 minutes. Some naysayers have foretold of Facebook's impending demise, but aside from boasting the largest user base of any social network in the world by a gigantic margin, this statistic proves Facebook is still growing. Fact number 5. Facebook has 2.80 billion monthly active users. If that number doesn't blow you away, it also has 1.84 billion users that are visiting the social networking site on a daily basis. This means that users were visiting at least one of Facebook's core products, which includes Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, and Messenger. Fact number 6. Videos are the most shared content type on Facebook. On average, videos receive 89.5 shares per video, significantly higher share counts than photos or text-based posts. Fact number 7. Mark Zuckerberg's first idea was a site called FaceMash. When Zuckerberg was in Harvard, he had the idea of creating a site that allowed users to compare people's faces. With the platform, users could pick who's hotter. Not surprisingly, his idea didn't impress Harvard's administrators. Zuckerberg's project was shut down and he was threatened with expulsion. Fact number 8. Zuckerberg's second idea was an online student directory. He called the directory the Facebook. People who could use it could search for other Harvard students, find out who else was taking the classes they were in, look up friends of their friends, and create a social network. Although the Facebook started out as an exclusive directory for Harvard students, it soon grew to include anyone above 13. Fact number 9. Women use Facebook more than men. A Pew Research Center survey found that 75% of women use Facebook, compared with only 63% of men. Fact number 10. Most downloaded app on mobile platform. If you browse Facebook using your phone, then you must do that through the Facebook app. As a result, most of the Facebook users have installed Facebook on their phones. And there are reports that Facebook was the most downloaded app of the decade. It had over 4.6 billion downloads in that period. Fact number 11. Facebook speaks pirate. For something less on the serious side, Facebook has a very surprising language option for those buccaneers out there who are tired of communicating in plain old English. In this site's executive language drop-down menu, Facebook has an English pirate option. Fact number 12. Every minute of downtime costs Facebook approximately $24,420. The prolonged outage that lasted for 19 minutes in August 2014 cost the company almost $427,000, and you thought you were pissed when Facebook goes down. And lastly, fact number 13. Facebook is banned in China. The Chinese government censors and controls content on the internet that is deemed harmful to the state. Facebook is one such platform perceived to be a threat. The site was blacklisted after a series of riots in Xinjiang in 2009. Twitter also was blocked as a result of these disturbances at the same time. The government alleged that social networking platforms were used to coordinate the protests and to spread dangerous rumors. The blocking of Facebook has set a strong precedent, with many established Western digital platforms and websites not gaining access to China. Thank you for spending some time with us and watching our video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel so you'll never miss a video. If you have any other subject you would like to know more about, feel free to leave it for us in the comments. Now subscribe and like this video for more. See you next time!